Spock. Are you all right?
Yes. I am undamaged, Captain.
Bones. Doc.
You were saying something about trick or treat.
Dungeons. Curses. Skeletons and Iron Maidens. They're all Earth manifestations. Why?
I do not know, Captain. But these things do exist. They are real.
Could this be an Earth parallel development of some sort?
None of this parallels any human development. It's more like a human nightmare.
As if someone knew what it was that terrifies man most on an instinctive level.
Ghost stories. Ogres, demons. The whole... Scotty, salute.